Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today we're going to discuss VeChain, some of the news around, which not too much news at the moment, but definitely we're looking at the charts and really trying to understand what the charts are telling us. So if you do like the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. VeChain is becoming very, very popular in Italy, and in this particular article they discuss how, the VeChain enterprise company, a blockchain platform headquartered in Singapore, is really making news in Italy, and especially in the wine industry in Italy. So the wine industry in Italy have three major Italian wine labels that are now starting to use VeChain. And in the automotive industry, they've been really working really well with some of the biggest brands in the world. And now with the wine industry in Italy, it's a, 6 months trial of the VeChain blockchain, to make sure that the leverage is good of using this particular blockchain. Also, yesterday I spoke about the real estate market and how now it's actually going to be used. So how VeChain is now going to be used in that market as well. So very exciting stuff, and good to see Italy leading the way with this, which, for those of you that aren't aware, Italy has a really good way of working in the startup and in the disruptive world. And Italy is a huge fan of blockchain, and so fantastic to see that. Now, if we look at the charts and what's happening here, we can see here how we've gone and where we are today, and it's going to be starting to look really exciting. Where the future looks, so we're going to break out of the 10, probably head towards 10.5, 11. Then we're going to retest 10 to make sure that we've solidified that we have broken out, and then push towards 12 and 12.5. And that's going to be literally around the corner. So we're looking at in the next day or two. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking, you might be able to catch a 7 cents VeChain, a 6 cents VeChain, you might be out of luck, because I believe that based on the fundamentals that it's going to start to push, and it's going to start to push real heavy. So for a parabolic move price action, we need to bounce off of this and out of this trend. If we do that, it's going to be absolutely insane, the growth that we're going to see. Another look at where we are right now and why it's going to take a couple more days is this. So this is where we're at. We're playing around 9, 8, 9, 8. We're sort of walking around there. We might even drop to maybe, like just over 8 cents, but we're not going to break out of this because there is too much momentum. And so once we break, we're going to break really strong. And so that's why I'm saying, if you've been thinking and you've been sitting on the sidelines, get in. So where do I see take profits? From a take profit perspective, 13 cents, depending on how long you've been in it, of course. This isn't financial advice, certainly no financial planner. But from a take profit point of view, I think, for a lot of you that have been holding this for quite some time, it might be, a nice idea to take out some profits at the 13 cents mark. But really, realistically, the way that I would probably play this is at 50 cents, take profit 3 is really where I would, start to, from a financial perspective, start to take some really nice profits. But I believe that by beginning of 2022, we are going to be hitting $2 and $3 and beyond, unless this market really starts to go parabolic. But $2 to $3 is very achievable. Another way of looking at this is, if the market really does start to ramp up and the bull market goes absolutely crazy, then we can definitely see $10 by the end of February 2022. From where we are now, 9 cents, $10 would just be absolutely legendary. I do want to know in the comments what you think though. What's your thoughts and where do you think it's heading? And I want to leave you with this, because the opportunity is now. And once we break out of this, it's going to be absolutely insane. So thank you for watching. Thanks for jumping on the Crypto Serpent channel. If you do like the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, look forward to see you on the next one.